Hello everybody, Crazy Canuck coming back at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. As you can see, minus 27 Celsius, minus 33 wind chill, extreme cold warning. This is a great time to not be outside. So, I think today we're going to do a little Berkey build. Okay, I got my Berkey filters from Amazon. And I was quite impressed with the list of stuff that it removes, most of which I can't even pronounce. But me being cheap, I didn't want to buy the canister and the whole unit. So what I did, I got the filters, and I am going to build my own system. Now all I need is a couple buckets that I got from local Dairy Queen. I got a couple drill bits, my drill, and for the bottom spigot I'm even too cheap to buy one of those, so I went to a local Value Village and bought this container that has the little spigot in it. So we're going to get started, and first thing I'm going to do is dismantle that container with the spigot in it and start lining up to drill holes. Okay, so in order to drill the holes straight through so that the filters fit properly, I've put a lid that goes on the bottom one properly onto the top container. Now I'm going to drill 2 holes all the way through. And that's it, 2 holes. I can just clean those up a little bit. And now for a nice little trial fit. Because all these Berkey filters need to be primed before they're used. So you slide the filter into the bottom, and there's lots of space. And these are really tight threads. So that's one in place. As you can see, that's how they're going to fit in there. And then once I get these all primed up, I'll get it all put together and I'll show you that. Okay, so on the bottom I got it marked for the spigot. So all I'm going to do is drill a hole of proper size for the spigot. Just like that. And you put the spigot in like that, put the nut on it. And there you have it, you have a spigot. So that's the bottom. This is the completed top part with the charged filters. You can see they're wet on the side. You have to force water in from the bottom of these so that they allow water to flow through. You then mount them on however you like. You can get them all lined up for looks. You put your lid on it, And there you have it. You have a Berkey. This is a 16-liter Berkey. Now doing it this way, I saved probably in the neighborhood of $200. So for $200, I can replace these every couple months if I wanted to, but they're easy enough to pull apart and clean. The filters themselves should last years, but hopefully I can find some place that does proper water testing, and we can do some tests on how well this system works and how well it works over time. So I got one more thing to show you, and that'll be it for this video. Just a quick little update here on the container. I saw that the potatoes were growing a little on the reachy side, so I lowered the light, the hidden harvest grow light. All I did was add some of this chain, and when I cut it, it kind of made its own little loop here that I stuck into where the other connector was. Then I put the original connector into a chain loop. So now I've got probably 2 feet of adjustment here on this chain, so I can increase or decrease the distance between the light and the plants. And as you can see, the onions are growing, the potatoes are growing, and we'll see what happens as time goes on here, but so far everything's looking good. So that's it for now. Got my Berkey, so now we can actually start moving away from the RO water and start using our well water, or in case of an emergency could use rainwater or any other source of water. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you like, and that's it for now.